The Weld Joint Preparation Calculator for groove dimensions helps engineers determine the proper groove geometry for welded connections. Let's walk through the inputs. First, we have a dropdown for joint type with 5 options: complete joint penetration V groove, complete joint penetration U groove, complete joint penetration bevel groove, and partial joint penetration V groove. For this demonstration, I'll select complete joint penetration V groove. Next is the welding process dropdown, which includes SMA, SAW, GMAW, GTAW, and FCAW. I'll choose SMA, which is shielded metal arc welding. Finally, we need to enter the plate thickness in inches, with acceptable values between 0.125 and 4 inches. After clicking Calculate Groove Dimensions, the calculator provides the essential groove parameters needed for proper weld preparation. These results include the recommended groove angle, root opening dimension, and root face height based on standard welding practices for the selected joint type and process. The calculator ensures your groove dimensions meet industry standards for the specified plate thickness and welding method, helping you achieve sound structural welds while minimizing material waste and preparation time. This tool streamlines joint design for fabrication shops and field welding operations. Find the link in the description below.